In today's video, I'm going to teach you some essential Excel shortcuts that can dramatically improve your productivity and transform the way you work. Mastering these key combinations will help you navigate, edit, and manage your spreadsheets with ease, leaving more time to focus on your core tasks. Let's dive right into some quick actions that are vital for efficient workflow. The old favorites, copy and paste, are simple yet powerful. With Ctrl plus C, you can copy your selected data, and with Ctrl plus V, paste it wherever you need. Sometimes we all make mistakes, and that's where Ctrl plus Z comes into play, allowing you to undo the last action you performed. If you change your mind, Ctrl plus Y will redo the action you just undid. Moving on to navigation and editing, learning to use F2 is a game changer for those quick tweaks. It allows you to edit the active cell directly. For moving quickly around your sheet, use Ctrl combined with the arrow keys to jump to the edge of your data region, saving you the hassle of manual scrolling. Additionally, Ctrl plus Home takes you to the very beginning of your worksheet, while Ctrl plus End brings you to its end, both in a flash. Formatting your text for better readability and emphasis is another useful set of shortcuts. Want to highlight something important? Use Ctrl plus B to make your text bold. If you're aiming for a softer touch, Ctrl plus I will italicize your selected text. And when you're looking to refine your formatting, Ctrl plus 1 opens the Format Cells dialog, giving you a plethora of styling options. For selecting large amounts of data quickly, Ctrl plus A is your go-to shortcut, selecting everything in your spreadsheet or the current data region wherever your cursor is. To focus on specific parts, Shift plus Space will select an entire row, and Ctrl plus Space selects an entire column. These shortcuts make data highlighting efficient and precise. Managing your workbooks with ease is critical. With Ctrl plus N, you can open a new workbook, and if you need to retrieve an existing one, Ctrl plus O opens your files. Regular saving is crucial, so hit Ctrl plus S to save your progress, and once you're done, use Ctrl plus W to close a workbook without needing your mouse. Inserting functions and searching within your sheet becomes faster with these shortcuts. Alt-E for a quick auto sum, Ctrl plus F to find any content within your sheet, and Ctrl plus H to replace data swiftly. Finally, navigating the ribbon at the top of Excel becomes second nature when you press Alt to open key tips, and then continue with letters like H for Home, N for Insert, and A for Data. With these shortcuts in your toolkit, you are all set to enhance your Excel experience and maximize productivity. Try them out and you'll soon wonder how you ever managed without them.